there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without having to sell your kidney. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. Yep, those flying gadgets that can either make you feel like a pro filmmaker or a professional tree hitter. On the left, we have the Potensic ATOM 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone. Let's call it ATOM. And on the right, we have the Techwonderz drone with camera. Let's call it Wonders. Let's get this drone showdown started. First up, let's talk about price. ATOM comes in at a cool $449. For that price, you'd expect it to fly you to work, right? Meanwhile, Wonders is a more wallet-friendly $129. At this rate, you might even afford a pizza after buying it. But what do you get for those dollars? Let's break it down. In terms of camera quality, ATOM rocks a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal. Smooth footage, even in windy conditions. It's like having a mini Spielberg in your backpack. On the other hand, Wonders offers a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees rotation. It's not bad, but let's just say it's more like having a TikTok enthusiast in your pocket. Reviewers say ATOM's camera quality is impressive and rivals more expensive brands, while many appreciate Wonders for its great image quality given the price. Now let's talk about flight time. ATOM boasts a whopping 96 minutes of flight time with its 3 batteries. You could practically film a short movie. Wonders, on the other hand, gives you 50 minutes. Hey, it's still better than your phone's battery life, am I right? Reviewers of ATOM appreciate the extended flight time, especially with the Fly More combo, while Wonders users find its battery life satisfactory for the price. When it comes to control and range, ATOM's got you covered with a max transmission range of 6 km. That's like flying it from your house to your ex's house to see if they're still single. Wonders offers some cool features too, like 360 degrees obstacle avoidance and FPV transmission, but its range isn't quite as impressive. You might want to keep this one closer to home, unless you want to play Find the Lost Drone in your neighborhood. Reviewers love ATOM's long range, while Wonders is praised for its user-friendly controls and features like obstacle avoidance. For all you beginners out there, both drones have got your back. ATOM comes with enhanced GPS and an auto-return feature, so it practically flies itself back home when it's had enough of your amateur piloting. Wonders is super user-friendly with features like one-key takeoff/landing and headless mode. It's like the training wheels of drones. Reviewers highlight ATOM's ease of use and GPS features, making it great for beginners, while Wonders is loved for its simplicity and beginner-friendly design. Lastly, let's not forget the fun stuff. ATOM has visual tracking and quick shots, so you can feel like a Hollywood director without the budget. Wonders lets you do 360 degrees flips and rolls and even follow me mode. It's like having a personal drone paparazzi, minus the restraining order. Reviewers of ATOM enjoy the advanced features like visual tracking, while Wonders users appreciate the fun and engaging features like flips and follow me mode. Overall, reviewers praise the Potensic ATOM for its high-quality camera, extended flight time, and advanced features, making it a great choice for those willing to spend a bit more. On the other hand, the Techwonderz drone is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a fantastic option for beginners or those on a budget. That's it for today's drone duel. Which one are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. And remember, folks, the only thing that should crash is this outro, unlike your new drone. Product links are in the description.